Hey guys, it's time for my weekly Forex trade recap, and this is for the week of 6/22/26 through 6/26/26. This is using my New York opening range breakout EMA pulse indicator and strategy. This is actually the seventh week that I have journaled the trades using this indicator and strategy and done these trade recap videos. This is the seventh one now. So before I get to the actual trades this week, let me just say that my disclaimer here, Forex is a risky business. As you know, this video is for educational, informational purposes only. I'm not qualified to give you financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Forex is risky. You can lose all or part of your capital, which is why we always tell you to trade on demo first. Test out any new strategy on demo account first before risking your real money with that strategy. Okay, and you are fully responsible for your own trading decisions and results. So let's get to the strategy. This is an overview of the strategy using my indicator. The trading window is from 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern time. We first look at the 15-minute time frame. We look for a range breakout in a strong trend on that 15-minute time frame. And that strong trend needs to be confirmed on both the 15 and the 5, right? So once we get that range breakout, that's when the indicator will go off, alerting us that we have a potential trade, right? This indicator is not a buy or sell signal. It's like all the other indicators that we have in our community. They just alert you that there's a potential opportunity for a trade in that particular pair. So once that alert goes off, we drop down to the 5, and we're looking for a two types of trades on the 5-minute, both going with the trend. We're always trading with the trend. Has to be a strong trend, right? We're looking for either a reversal confirmation or what we call a retest and continuation confirmation. Two different types of trades. All trades are a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. So that's the risk to reward on all trades. So if we're risking $50, we're trying to make $100. If we're risking 10 pips, we're trying to get 20 pips. Our risk management is no more than 1/2 of 1% of our account size on any one trade. And you get access to this indicator, all of my trading videos, all of my training videos, all of my PDF files in my members only group on Facebook. That's how you get access to this. And of course, you have to be a customer of our company and a member of our community to get access to this. I'll tell you everything you get at the end of this recap video. So let's get into the trades for this week. This week was the first actual week that we didn't have at least a 50% win rate. This week we had a total of 13 trades, and all trades were Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There were actually no potential trades on Thursday or Friday of this week. Wednesday, we had the worst day ever where we just had one win out of 5 trades. So 1 win, 4 losses on Wednesday. Monday and Tuesday, as you see, were fairly decent. But overall, 13 trades for the week, 6 wins and 7 losses. So that brings our 7-week total to 99 total trades, right? 61 wins, 38 losses. That's a win rate of 62% over the past 7 weeks. But this week was just 6 wins, 7 losses. So this was the first trade of the week. This is AUDJPY. We get our indicator going off here. It says SWT, which means it's a sell with the trend, right? So when it says with trend, that means the breakout in this case was out of the bottom of this range box here. This is the range based off of that opening range breakout, the opening 15-minute candle, right? That's what determines the range. So it broke out to the downside in a downtrend, which means it's with the trend, right? So we're looking for a retest and a continuation. We get that right here. Price moves down and gives us a nice win on our first trade of the week. Then our second trade, same thing here. We got first a breakout with the trend. Then we got a breakout reversal, looking for a reversal, right? Confirmation. So with the trend, it broke out of the top of the box in a uptrend. Here it breaks out of the bottom of the box in an uptrend. So that makes it a reversal confirmation we're looking for. Again, you may not understand what I'm saying here, but you'll get access to all of this once you join our company. Once you get access to the indicator and the training videos and the PDF files in my group. Anyway, here's our entry right here. Price moves up. So within what, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, say within an hour, we're in this trade with a win. Again, all wins, all trades are set up as a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Here's the next trade with CADJPY. Like I said, we were off to a great start here this week. You know, here this is breaks out with the trend. So we're looking for that retest and continuation. We get it. Price then goes against us slightly, finds support at that 55 EMA, and then goes down for another win. Here, this is EURJPY. Now, this one, we had to hold this trade through the rollover period, which is the end of day. The end of day in Forex is 5 p.m. Eastern time. That's when the new day starts, right? So that's when liquidity drops, the spreads open up like crazy. So we had to hold this through the end of day and all the way till about 11 p.m. Eastern time to get this win here. You could see it just kind of, the indicator goes off. We get our confirmation that we're looking for. We get in the trade and it just kind of consolidates here, moving up and down for most of the day into the night. And then it finally makes that move down to hit our target. Now, there are specific rules you have to follow when you're trading on the lower time frames if you're going to hold a trade through the end of day. So before you do that, you're going to want to get with me so that you can get that video. Now, this is our first loss of the day, of the week, right? EURJPY, here's our alert going off. We're looking for that reversal confirmation. We get it. And then boom, right there within 30 minutes, price moves against us for a loss. This was another loss in EUR NZD, right? We get a couple indicators. Our indicator goes off, reversal, then with the trend. So we're looking for that retest and continuation confirmation. We do get it. Price, moves up slightly, then it goes against us, goes through our invalidation zone, causing it to lose. And then look what happens. After it does that, it goes right up through our target area. Okay, this is EUR USD. We get our indicator going off here. We get our reversal confirmation. And then price, as you can see here, moves against us for another loss. See if we missed one here. This is GBP AUD. We get our alert going off here. We're looking for that reversal confirmation. We do get it. Price comes down here, and the wick here on this candle just reaches down, hits our invalidation area, stops us out at a loss, and then price immediately shoots up through our target area. So this was 2 trades like this week where we just kind of got stopped out, and then price immediately started moving up and went through our target area. This is GBP CAD. This is a loss here. We get our alert going off. We get our reversal confirmation. We get in the trade. It starts to move in our favor, then right down through our invalidation zone. This was a loss here, GBP JPY. Very quickly here, you could see we get our alert coming out here. We're looking for that retest and continuation. We think we get it, and then price wicks up and takes us right out through our invalidation zone. See here, I'm having trouble with my chart. Here's a winning trade in GBP NZD. Here's our alert going off here. We get our confirmation. Price moves up within here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Within about 30 minutes, hits our target price. Then we ran into, we were doing good till we hit Wednesday's Wednesdays till we hit Wednesday, guys, where we had, like I said, 1 win, 4 losses. This is a loss here in NZD JPY. You could see here, price comes down, we get our confirmation, and then price moves up and goes through our invalidation zone. And this was our only winning trade on Wednesday. This was in gold. You can see here that we get our indicator going off here. We get our confirmation. Price moves down, comes back to break even, and then straight down through our target area. So those were our 13 trades for this week, guys. See if I missed any of them here. Having trouble with my mouse here. So like I said, it was 13 trades. Let's make sure I have all of them there. That's 1 win. Yeah, see, it keeps 2, 3-0, 3-1, 3-2, 3-3, 3-4, 3-5, 3-6, 4-6, 4-7, and 5-7. Six. So we ended up with 6 wins and 7 losses for the week. So I must miss one of them there. But the total for the week was 6 wins, 7 losses. So a 46% win rate for the week. But overall, for the past 7 weeks, we're at 61 wins, 38 losses, which is a 62% win rate. So how do you get what do you get when you join our community? Let me show you that real fast, guys. So when you join our community, you're going to get access to all of our live educators, right? They do live training sessions each and every day. If you can't make the live sessions, you do get access to the recorded sessions. You get access to 9 powerful scanners that alerts you to potential opportunities in the market. You get all of our beginner, intermediate, and advanced training courses. You also get access to our community indicator, which is our ATH flow indicator. You get our Discord channel where we share ideas. You can ask questions, you get support, and we kind of share our trades and our screenshots in there. You also get access to all of the trading strategy videos that we have using our indicator and using some of the scanners in the company in our Discord channel. You're going to get access to my New York opening range EMA pulse indicator and the training strategy videos and PDF files in my members only group on Facebook. So all the tools, all the education, and all the support you need in one place. You can become a customer of our company, pay your membership fee, and you get a 7-day money back guarantee. So basically, you can try everything out for 7 days. You can get on the live sessions. You can get in our Discord channel. You can try out the ATH flow indicator. You can get into my Facebook group, try out my New York Open Range Breakout EMA Pulse indicator. I just showed you the results to that for the week and for the past 7 weeks for that matter. And you get access to all of my trading strategy videos in there. You can try this all out for 7 days. If you're not happy, you simply ask for your money back, and as long as you're within that 7-day window, they will give it to you. So any questions, drop them down below. If you want the link to sign up, let me know. I'll send you the link, and I'll tell you which package to get. Have a great weekend, guys.